Hi everyone, welcome back to another live trading series. Today is Wednesday, December 23rd. It is around 12:30 p.m. and I have a couple things to show you. I'm very happy at what's been happening with my Tesla strangles. If you watch my last video, let me just move it up a little. I showed you how I sold 2 Tesla strangles and made around 3,200, and I sold them at 30 days to expiration. And now it's only been, so let's say 5 days. It's only been 5 days, and I'm going to be closing them out at around 75% profit. Also, on Monday, so 2 days ago, I sold 3 Tesla strangles very far out of the money with 14 days to expiration, and now I'm going to be closing them out at around 75 to 80% profit as well. So 3 days out of 14 went by and I'm already closing it above 50%. And then 5 days out of 30 went by and I'm closing it. Let me just show you what it looks like. And I'll kind of run through some numbers. So if we go here, go Tesla, and then let me just group them by strategy. So the ones I will be focusing on are these two. So I'll zoom in a little. If you can take a look, I sold for December 31st, so 8 days from now. Tesla is trading at 644. So I sold the 500 put and the 800 call. So Tesla would, need to move by that much. Obviously $140 down, $156 up. Oh no, my lighting is weird. Sorry guys. I'm going to try to check the viewfinder very often just to make sure the lighting is fine. And then the other one, January 15th, I sold the 900 call and the $450 put. So Tesla would need to go down by 200 or go up by, $250. I sold for 233. It is now worth 67. I sold for 217. It is now worth 65. And same numbers here. Let me just quickly run through the percentages here. So 67, 233. So if we go plus 67 divided by 233. So there's only 28% left for me to earn, but then 28 days left. 25 days left. So obviously this is why I'm closing it out early. If I, this could go against me if I do hold it on for these rest of the 25 days. So why would I hold it on for, so let's say plus 5 divided by 30. So 16% of the time went by and I've already earned 72% of the profit. So let's see. Let me just turn this into a percent and then I'll see what happened with this as well. So if we go to the bottom one, oh no, I'm an idiot. It's the other way around. So this should be, so this is here and this is 3 divided by 10. All right. So 30% of the time went by and there's only 28% profit to be had. So I made 72% in 30% of the time. So if we go with this is 5 out of 30. This is correct. But then let me find out these numbers. 155, 975. So again, if we go plus 155 divided by 975. So again, only 16% of the time went by and I made 85% profit. So obviously it only makes sense to close these and then maybe roll them out or maybe wait till a bigger day. So Tesla has been kind of moving. So it's up 0.84% today. This is the daily chart. I'm going to wait for a big green day or a big red day, maybe to sell more cash secured, maybe some cash secured puts. Maybe I'll even do some strangles, but it doesn't make sense to hold on to these. They can only go against me. So let me close them right now. So I'll close this. Let me buy back. If I could try to get it a little cheaper. Buy to close, buy to close. All right. Let me buy these ones back as well. Let me try to get, try to make a little bit of money on these. Buy to close everything. So it's costing me $780 to close this out, but I did sell it for $3,200. That last title of the video might have been deceiving because it says I made $3,200, but not really. It's costing me $780 to close it out. So technically I made, let's say $2,400, but you get the gist of it. So that one closed out. This one didn't. That's fine. I'll adjust that. Let's do one final thing. I do want you guys to see what's been happening with AMD. So what I had done on AMD. So let's zoom in a little. So I ended up selling the 125 put. Sorry, let me move this out of the way. And I sold the 77.5. Sorry, I sold the 125 call, 77.5 put. And this is the trading range I think it'll trade in for the next 55 days. But if you can see, let me go AMD. So one side is already 50% in the money. So I think I sold this 5-6 days ago and I'm already making 50%. Let me close this out. I might roll it down. So how you manage a strangle, you either close out both sides or you bring the call side down a little. And then if my put side gets tested, I'll bring that down as well. But I'll be continually managing this. So I'm going to lock in this $1,000 and then maybe sell a little lower. So right now I'm at the 125 call. I might bring it down to 120, 115 just to earn a little bit more. And then if it gets tested, roll it out. And I'm just continually managing. I probably check stocks 2-3 times a day, but then I manage them 2-3 times a week. It doesn't take that much time, I guess. Like if you see all my trading videos are 10 minutes, maybe some 15 minutes, but that's all really it takes. So let's do that now. So I'm going to, so let me go custom. I'm going to add a call. So I'm buying 10 on February 19th at 125. So you have to buy back the exact ones you sold to close them out. And I'm going to sell 10 new ones February 19th. I will go 115. So I will be making around $800. So I'm closing it out, rolling it down, just making my strangle a little bit tighter. But if this gets tested, and then I'll just continually rolling up. But obviously I am making this profit. I do have $800 here. Let me do that right now. Cool. And that got adjusted. Oh, come on, viewfinder, work. Cool. So as you can see, this moved a little. My put side, I'm losing a little bit on it, but I'll manage it if it gets tested. I don't mind owning 1,000 shares of AMD at 77.5, so no really big deal there. I might end up rolling, so I do want to close. Oh, nice. So it just got filled. So this December one, I might roll it out to the week after, so January 8th, and I might still do the exact same 800 call, 500 put. Still very far out of the money. Let's go January 8th. Strangle. Let's go. Let's see what this. Oh, I just realized I could have just rolled it all in one instead of doing it twice. Sorry. Noob move. So the call will be 800. Call will be 800. And then the put will be 500. Far out of the money. What does this give us? So we'll be getting, I don't know, 1,500 US. Am I okay with this? 800, 500. What will happen to Tesla? Should I go 760 just to earn a little bit more? 765.20. I think I'm okay with this. Let's roll the dice, guys. Let's see what happens. So rolling out Tesla for another week, and then I'll be making $2,280. Let's hope I don't have to manage this. Let's hope the same thing happens. Tesla trades sideways and I can close at a gain. So let me sell that and it gets filled right away. Amazing. What I should be doing, to be honest, I should probably be closing this as well. Do you see Tesla I'm up 75% on this with 3 weeks left. Oh, well, 23 days left. Should I just close this? Just this side. I might. We'll see what happens. I'm going to leave this open for now. I do want to roll this. I don't know. I might close it out like I already have. Sorry, guys. I'm all over the place. I already have 3 strangles. I'll just close this out, not to expose myself too much. I do have 135,000 kind of buying power. But yeah, I'll leave this for now. Hopefully I'll cut out some of that parts where I was trading Tesla a little bit, like Tesla wasn't getting filled and I was monitoring. But that's it for this video. I will do another video next week for the last one of the year, and then hopefully December will be a record-breaking month for profits for me. But obviously we'll see what happens in January. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the next one.